Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
UMP Karaja Sabha Urakesh Senha hene kasmi habekran batkelat pathai khubor hasnong kongthong ulaong bangade uwei naki MP ubabu jengkeli hadu Southien habayade baka jengti dawyong tu hakajala Meghalaya omdan manu babu jengkeli halor kani ulaong ru banga ubri ubadan ka jengburam ya kamaryang ladangi penjat ya kamaryang ka jala Meghalaya kanjat
Kongthong's ecology, environment, culture, language should remain not only undisturbed, but we will first objective is to preserving the environment. I know I am the one person who raised at least not one in this session 4 times question of illegal mining in Meghalaya. No other person has raised, and that has appeared in different newspapers. And since my Rajya Sabha tenure in last 3 years, I raised at least 12 times about the illegal mining of coal and stones that is destroying the Meghalaya. So I am the person who believe that if you destroy the culture, Meghalaya would be destroyed. If you destroy the environment and ecology, Meghalaya would be destroyed. Meghalaya's beauty is culture and nature. Preserving culture and nature, the economic, political, social empowerment should be created. So I would create a consciousness among the people. Outsider people who are tourists, they should come to strengthen, not to weaken. That is our objective.